So I was sent these from the brand, and the kids are going to want to know what's the fun prize and do the bubbles work well. But the adults are going to want to know, does it stay in my tub and how hard are they to clean up? So we're going to get to both of those here just in just a second. But I want to show you. I've already got one pulled out because that's the one that's going to go in the tub. It's the lavender scent. But look how pretty these are. They're all in the shape of a shell. And they smell amazing. Yeah, they are just great scents. Each one's a different scent. You've got them listed here on the back. We're going to go with lavender today. That was the one chosen by the bath recipient. So yes. Yeah, it smells really good. And just to show you, so here's the little mermaid tail trinket purse that they can store their little prizes in if they want to. Opens up, and it has the sequins that go the other way. So yeah. All right, let's see these things in action. We'll speed this up here a little since no one needs to see it in actual time. But yeah, it disperses really nicely. It foams up really nice. The color's super pretty. Again, the smell is amazing. Yeah, really pleased with the way these worked in the tub. The little one that took the bath was thrilled with it. Here it is at regular speed, just to give you an idea. The purple water was a big hit. And we'll see here shortly what it was like to clean it up. Just a quick close up here on things, and time to go get the bath girl. The little prize comes in a caplet like this. You can just open it and take out the pretty princess bracelet, pretty mermaid princess bracelet. And there glows the last of the bath water, and no rings or anything. Quick rinse to the tub and we will be all set. So no staining to worry about here. All right, bath time is over and the tub is all clean, and really the water, no staining, nothing. So, all right, hope this review helped.